Understanding teeth grinding, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, teeth grinding. This is a common phrase you might come across in English conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage is essential for effective communication. Let's dive in. Teeth grinding refers to the action of clenching and moving the teeth back and forth against each other, often unconsciously. This usually happens during sleep, but it can also occur when someone is awake, especially during times of stress or anxiety. The medical term for teeth grinding is bruxism. Teeth grinding can be caused by various factors, including stress, anxiety, abnormal bite, or missing or crooked teeth. It's important to note that frequent teeth grinding can lead to problems like jaw pain, headaches, and damage to the teeth. Understanding this context can help you comprehend the implications when someone mentions they're experiencing teeth grinding. To better understand how to use teeth grinding in conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. I need to see a dentist because my teeth grinding is getting worse. 2. Her doctor said that teeth grinding might be the reason for her frequent headaches. These examples show how the phrase can be used to talk about personal health or to hypothesize about causes of physical symptoms. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, teeth grinding, better. Remember, it's not just about the literal action, but also about the underlying reasons and the health implications it might have. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.